First is the Cometto MTH45 modular trailer, handles heavy loads with a 45-ton per axle line capacity. It features hydraulic steering with a 55-degree angle and a 600mm suspension stroke. Its modular design allows expansion up to 8 axle lines, and with a low bed height of 950mm, it ensures stability across varied terrains. The Fairy Gannet, introduced in the 1950s, is a distinctive British naval aircraft renowned for its twin-boom design and folding wings. Equipped with dual double-Mamba turboprop engines, it boasts a wingspan of 19.4 meters and a maximum speed of 317 km/h. Designed for anti-submarine warfare and maritime patrol, it played a vital role in the Royal Navy's operations. Look no further. This is the steel warrior conquering every challenge in the timber industry. The Wagner L60 log stacker is a powerhouse in timber handling, boasting a lifting capacity of 27 ton. Designed for efficiency, it features a 16-foot wide grapple for maximum load control, a 360-degree rotating operator's cab for optimal visibility, and robust hydraulic systems. With a maximum lift height of 25 feet, the L60 is engineered for heavy-duty operations in challenging environments. Drag flow dredging equipment is designed for heavy-duty tasks, featuring submersible pumps that handle solids up to 120 millimeters in diameter at depths of up to 100 meters. With a flow capacity of 1,500 cubic meters per hour, it's perfect for sand and gravel extraction, sediment removal, and mining. Powered by hydraulic or electric motors, it's built for tough environments. The Ledecran PK9 2002SH by Palfinger is a high-performance loader crane with a max lifting capacity of 30 ton and a hydraulic outreach of up to 21.3 meters. It features SH technology for synchronized movements, HPSC stability control, and remote operation for enhanced safety and precision. Ideal for heavy-duty applications in construction and logistics. Sherp the Ark is an advanced amphibious vehicle with exceptional all-terrain capabilities. It offers a 2-ton payload capacity and features a high-performance engine, advanced suspension, and oversized, self-cleaning tires. Designed for extreme environments, the Ark excels on both land and water, making it ideal for the toughest conditions. JCB's Pothole Pro excavator transforms pothole repair with its 140 kilowatts, 187 HP engine and a 3.5-ton excavator base. It includes a hydraulic hammer and high-capacity material spreader, plus GPS tracking and an advanced control system for precise, efficient repairs. This setup minimizes road downtime and extends pavement durability. The Fendt Ideal Combine Harvester, often called the Black Monster, made a significant impact during the 2020 grain harvest. It boasts 510 HP of engine power, a 14,500-litre grain tank, and a cutting width of 13.8 meters. Its advanced technology and high capacity make it exceptionally efficient for large-scale agricultural operations, ensuring impressive performance and productivity. The Guardian GT is an advanced industrial robot with a reach of 1.5 meters and a payload capacity of 10 kg. It features high-precision sensors and AI-driven controls for accurate, reliable performance. Designed for automation in manufacturing, it handles complex tasks like assembly and inspection efficiently. Its robust build and flexibility ensure consistent, high-throughput operations. Next is the Cormac 575000 AXE9J804 is a high-performance knuckle boom crane with a 57,5-ton lifting capacity and 25 meters of hydraulic outreach. It features advanced stabilization and electronic controls for precise, safe operation. Perfect for challenging tasks in construction, oil and gas, and heavy transport industries. (1000) is a robust tree spade designed for transplanting large trees. It features a 100-inch spade, a lifting capacity of 5 tons, and can handle trees up to 12 inches in diameter. Equipped with a high-capacity hydraulic system, it's ideal for efficient and precise tree relocation in large-scale landscaping projects. The Fractum Breaker is a high-power hydraulic hammer with up to 200 kJ impact force. Designed for Volvo excavators, it delivers efficient rock breaking and demolition. Its advanced technology minimizes noise and vibration, while its robust build ensures durability in heavy-duty applications like quarrying and mining. At Viac Historic 2022, step back in time and witness vintage construction equipment in action. This event showcases meticulously restored machinery, offering a live demonstration of historical engineering marvels. Experience the evolution of construction firsthand as these iconic machines perform, celebrating the legacy of past innovations. Don't miss this living history of construction excellence. And now, let's come join with us to the 1375 Bucket Wheel is a high-capacity excavator designed for large-scale mining and earth-moving operations. It features a bucket wheel diameter of 1,375 millimeters and an impressive digging depth of up to 20 meters. With a continuous operation capability and robust construction, it efficiently handles bulk material extraction and transportation, making it ideal for heavy-duty applications. The Stump's Shear 1270 is a powerful tool designed for efficient tree stump removal. It features a robust hydraulic system with a cutting force of up to 127 tons, capable of handling large stumps and root systems. The shear's heavy-duty construction ensures durability, while its precise cutting mechanism makes it suitable for a range of landscaping and land clearing tasks. The Extreme XR50-0100G boasts a powerful 670 HP engine, advanced hydraulics for precise control, and a large capacity hopper. Its rugged undercarriage ensures stability and durability in challenging conditions. Designed for heavy-duty applications, it delivers high operational efficiency and reliability, making it ideal for demanding industrial and construction tasks. The Kirovet's K700, introduced in the 1960s, is a heavy-duty Soviet tractor known for its exceptional performance in tough conditions. It features a 300 HP engine, an operating weight of 12 tons, and a top speed of 25 km/h. Designed for demanding agricultural and industrial tasks, its durability and reliability make it a versatile and dependable choice for various heavy-duty applications. The Tree Stomper by Robert G. Letourneau, introduced in the 1950s, is a heavy-duty land-clearing machine. It weighs around 30 tons, features 300 to 500 HP, and can handle trees up to 30 inches in diameter. Designed for durability, it excels in large-scale tree removal and heavy-duty forestry operations. The Vogel MT3000 Tarn 2i is a high-performance material transfer vehicle with a 15-ton hopper and a conveying capacity of 1,200 tons per hour. Powered by a 215 HP engine, it weighs around 21 tons. Designed for continuous asphalt paving, it features automated material feed and precise control, making it ideal for large road construction projects. The Tiger Stone, launched in 2017, is a cutting-edge paver with a 2.5-meter, 8.2 feet paving width and a daily capacity of 2,000 square meters, 21,528 square feet. It efficiently handles various brick sizes and thicknesses with its powerful hydraulic system, setting a new standard in paving technology. Discover the Nexat Harvest in Germany, a remarkable machine featuring a 15.5-meter cutting width and 100 horsepower. This powerhouse is designed for efficient, high-capacity harvesting, making it a standout in modern agriculture. With its impressive specs, the Nexat combines exceptional performance with cutting-edge technology for superior results in the field. The Prinoth Panther T14R is a powerful tracked vehicle designed for tough terrains. With a payload capacity of approximately 13.6 tons, it features a rotating dump body that allows for 360-degree dumping, providing flexibility in confined spaces. Powered by a 275 horsepower engine, it can navigate challenging environments, making it ideal for construction and off-road applications. The TVAC is a vacuum excavation system with 10,000 CFM suction power and a 9-ton tank. It features a 280 HP engine and is designed for precise utility exposure. Its efficient suction minimizes disruption, making it ideal for safe, accurate excavation in construction and utility projects. The Menzimuk 545X rail version is a versatile dual-purpose excavator for road and rail use. Weighing about 14 tons and powered by a 140 kW engine, it features a maximum digging depth of 5.7 meters and a reach of 9.5 meters. Its adjustable rail gauge and 4.2 meter stabilizer spread ensure flexibility and stability,